Hey, it's Kevin Topol with JK on the Run, and today's Mobile Tech Minutes we're going to play a game of tag, like a tag you're it. You guys remember the QCat? It was kind of like a little barcode scanner. This is probably back in like the year 2000. You would scan this barcode and basically it would input the URL for you for a website or a product or something like that. Well, that kind of went out the window. I mean, if I asked how many people remember that and say raise your hands, like I don't see any hands, because it just didn't really fly. But it's kind of back in a new way, and we've seen this with some of these little square barcodes in the past, but now Microsoft has a new initiative called Microsoft Tag, and it's similar to the QCat and then the VR codes. These are colored codes, and basically you use your phone camera instead of some other device that you may not want or only have a single use for. You take your phone camera, you scan this actual little colored tag, and the software actually figures out what the tag says, where to send you on the web. It could be contact information, it could be a message. It's kind of interesting. I'm still not sold on the idea, but I'm all for trying to find new ways to reduce input of keyboards and things like that. So I thought it was kind of interesting. The really neat thing is, even though this is a Microsoft product, it works on Windows mobile phones as you'd expect, also regular phones that feature J2ME support, Symbian S60 devices, BlackBerry devices, and even Apple's iPhone. I'm going to take you on a very, very short tour of how this works on the iPhone. Okay, I'm here at Mobility Site, which is where I first saw this the other day, and if you notice, they've got some of these tags. You can see them. Here's a big one right here. And also on my iPhone, let me see if I can make this a little clearer. There, on my camera, there we go. On my iPhone, you can see I have Tag Reader, so I'm going to pop that open, Microsoft Tag, and it wants to use my location. I don't care. Tap the camera to start. Okay, so now I'm just going to take a picture of the tag. Let's see if I can get back a little clearer. There we go. Whoops, I hit the button by accident. Wow, it actually got it somehow. That's interesting. I'm going to say use the photo. And I got a text message here. Again, let me get the clarity right. There we go. Thanks for visiting Mobility Site. We hope that you enjoy our community and that you will continue to come back often. So I got a text message. I didn't receive a text message, but the tag actually was text. So that's kind of interesting. All right, so let's go to another one here. And that'll dial a number. Let's see the one that takes us to Jack Cook's Experience Mobility. Right back here, tap to start. Okay, and I'm just going to take that picture. And I'm not really doing too much to get the picture in the middle or anything like that, or I'm just really just snapping it. So I use photo. And what's it doing? It's going out to Microsoft servers. It then redirects me to experiencemobility.net. So you can have a URL as well. And here comes Experience Mobility. There we go. So you can see it's actually pretty easy to use, and it's pretty forgiving. These tags are pretty big. I mean, I would imagine that they could be any size. And on some cameras, not the iPhone, but on some cameras, you simply need to aim your phone camera at the actual code, and it will determine, okay, I can read it. I don't need you to even snap anything. It'll just decode it and send you on your way. Pretty interesting, I think. So appreciate that Mobility Site for pointing that out. It's pretty nifty. Will it catch on? I don't know, but it is on multiple platforms, and that's a positive thing in my mind. So take a look and see. I want to look and see how I can create my own. I don't know what I'm going to make, but I'm going to go play with that for a while. See ya.